More real-world equations and percents. So let's review what we did in the last lesson. So what is x is equal 45%. We need to change to a decimal. So move the decimal over 2 times of times 60. So I'm going to multiply 0.45 times 60 in my calculator, and I get 27. So 27 is 45% of 60. Second one, 70%, so we write 70% as a decimal, of what number is equal 49. Now you solve for x, so you divide both sides by 0.7. So cancels out. 0.7 is the same as 0.70. X equals 49 divided by 0.7 is 70. And then the last one, what percent? So what percent means that at the end we're going to write it as a percent. X of times 25 equals 17. So I divide both sides by 25. So x equals 17 divided by 25 is 0.68. But at the end, I need to write this as a percent. So I move the decimal over twice, and it's 68%. Okay, now we're getting some word problems with solving percents. So in a survey is when you ask a whole bunch of people, 952 people, or 68%, preferred smooth peanut butter to chunky. How many people were surveyed? So this number is not the number of people that were surveyed. This was the number of people that said that they liked peanut butter. Well, 68% of the people liked peanut butter. So we're going to figure out 68% of the total, which we don't know. This is the number of people surveyed. X is the number of people surveyed, was 952. So 60% of the people surveyed is 952. So now I'm going to solve for x. So I divide both sides by 0.68. So 952 divided by 0.68 is 14,000. So x equals 14,000, or 1,400. 1,400. So 68% of 1,400 is 952. That makes sense. Next question. 8% of people are left-handed. In a group of 72 people, how many are left-handed? So you have your total, 72, and 8% of 72. This is time you're given your total. This time here we didn't give our total. We were given 952. This was our total. So I'm going to do 8% of, so 0.08 times 72. So 0.08 times 72 is 5.76. But I don't want to answer it as 5.76 people. I'm going to answer approximately. Remember, this means approximately. We rounded. Six people. And up here I should have put units to people. And then letter C. A camera regularly placed priced at $295 was placed on sale at $236. What percent of the regular price was the sale price? So I'm going to take this last sentence and change it. What percent X of times the regular price? The regular price is $295. Was is the same thing as is equals the sale price. Sale price is $236. So I'm going to divide both sides by 295. This cancels out. So X equals 236 divided by 295 in my calculator is 0.8. But the question asked me what percent. So I need to move the decimal over 1, 2. So X equals 80% is my answer. Okay, more word problems. 936, which comma is 65% of the entire student body attended the football game. Find the size of the student body. So we are trying to find the whole student body. So we know that 65% of the entire student body, which we're going to let be X, is 936 students. So I'm going to solve for X and divide both sides by 0.65. So 936 divided by 0.65 is 1,440 students. Okay, and then E. So the E is a sale one, a price. So you have a $45 shirt, and it's on sale at 20% off. 20% off means you're gonna you started paying for something 100%, and you're losing 20%. So that means you're paying for 80% of the shirt. So I can write this as if something is 30% off, it means you're paying for 70% of it. If something is 10% off, it means you're paying for 90% of it. So if the shirt is $45 and the sale is 20%, means you're paying 80% of it. So you multiply 45 times 0.8, and the answer is $36. It's on sale, so you know it's going to be less than $45. So sale price means you do 100% minus the percent that it's off, and then multiply it by it. Tax means that you're going to pay more. So if something starts at 100%, Michigan sales tax is 100%, and you're going up by 6, that means you're paying for 106% of it. As a decimal is 1.06. So if shoes cost $45 and the tax is 6%, you're going to multiply it by 1.6% or 1.06. So 45 times 1.06 is 47.7, so it's $47.70. So if you had a 5% tax, it means to go up. So it's going to be 105%, which is 1.05. If you had a 3% tax, it means to go up. 103% is 1.03.